Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to talk about how to install VirtualBox on Fedora version 32. First, go to your BIOS and enable virtualization if they're not enabled. So for CPU virtualization, check your motherboard. If you're not sure, you can type this under your terminal to check if the CPU virtualization are enabled. Then add the repository, the yum repository, by executing these 3 lines of code. The first line is optional. If you already have wget installed, you don't have to execute the first line. Then install a bunch of software, and as of today, the latest version is VirtualBox 6.1. Install whichever version you want, and you can add a super user and add your current user. Then you can run setup. This may take a couple seconds, but it shouldn't be very long. This should be reasonably quick. So once that is done, you have installed VirtualBox on your computer. So next, I'm going to give you an example of how to set up a virtual machine. This is, I think everybody has done something like this before. It's super easy, right? You have a go to VirtualBox. You can obviously add a new virtual machine, and by adding a new virtual machine, you can select whichever directory, and then of course you can select a bunch of things like for example, I've used this one already set up. It's a Fedora server, and you go to settings. The first thing is need a storage. You need to find that image. The image is of course is the stuff ISO file I downloaded from online. Choose from disk file, which is obviously this guy. Fedora server guy, then you need to set up the network. I will put network set up in a different video. So this is about how to install VirtualBox. Okay, thank you.